Yeah, I think for me, the whole experience was very comforting. It was like talking to a long lost friend or a good therapist, where you were actively engaged, you followed my cues, but you were also very listening without judgment. I not even for one moment I felt that you are judging me or creating an opinion about me. So it was very nice, comforting to let things flow. I think best essence of an encounter is when the person leaves feeling positive. And when I feel very encouraged when I see people in journalism, especially, or the field of social media, inclined towards mental wellness. I think each one of us has to make that commitment that we have a big crisis on our hands, and each one of us will have to make the decision if we are going to be part of the problem or the solution. And you definitely are part of the solution.
Thank you so much.
Our youth, and actually most of our people, are spending most of the time on social media. And what social media gives them has become so very important.
That's true.
So I think you are doing a big service there. There will never be enough mental health providers, professionals, to keep up with the growing need. But if each one of us become aware of our own potential to cope with these stressors, I think that is where the service is right now.
Thank you so much. Wonderful to talking to you, and thank you for your feedback and comments. Really wonderful.